doing videos. Use discount code JacobViral to save when you shop at Sky High Car Audio, Explicit Audio, and others. Links in the description. Thanks for watching and enjoy the video. Hello. Just doing videos. Yeah. So can you tell me your name real quick and what's in here?
Jason Arnold, the Low Budget Ballers.
Okay.
Got 4 Skar BX F15s.
Okay.
2 SKB2 3500s and 2 SKB2 200.4s on my mids and highs.
Yes,
and
sir.
a RP 150.4.
Wow, all on the roof too?
Yeah. Sweet. I run out of room, so I had to find somewhere.
Made it work.
Then I got an RP 150.4, 85 amp hours, a K2, and then a 320 ohm.
All right.
Perfect.
astronomical. She kinda basic, one of my numbers.
Awesome, thanks for showing me, man.
Hey, appreciate it.
Thank you for the demo.
Yes, sir.
It's definitely a different C-pillar versus the no wall you had before.
Yeah.
Yep.
Yeah, big difference.
And good bandwidth.
Thank you.
Yes, sir. Thank you
I
very
love the VXS, man. They're the best.
Yes, sir. We're good.
Thank you for watching, everybody, as well as thank you channel supporters. If you want to become a channel supporter, check out the links in the description to show support, as well as thank you everybody for supporting the channel. Also, if you haven't already, use discount code JacobViral when you shop at Sky High Car Audio, Explicit Audio, and others. And also, if you haven't already, check me out. I am on social media, Facebook, Instagram, TikTok, and YouTube, as you are seeing here. Go ahead and hit that like button if you haven't already. I really appreciate it. And subscribe. Stay tuned for more daily videos, and I'll see y'all in the next one.